Homework. Come over here. So we're gonna work on that shoulder. And what I'm doing here, he said, let's start with the wall angel, of course. So wall angel, he's attached his butt, head, and you can see he's looked a little bit up. Don't be nervous, it's all good. And just get your arms on the side like this. I'm not starting from here because he's not capable to do. What I'm doing here, I'm attached that band, and I start, yeah, that's the shoulder. So I start pulling out, he's resisted. So he's reactivated all those muscles now. So he's pushing this arm back to wall, and I'm just resisted. Excellent. Now I want to get that ball, push this against that ball. So he's pushing that way now. He's activate that muscle in between the shoulder blades, infraspinatus, supraspinatus, all this stuff. Yeah, you see how he's shaking? Well, no need to be shake, just now roll, kind of push that ball and start roll up and down. Very slowly, control that motion. Don't lose that ball. There we go, and that's slightly. Make sure it's, you can help them out. Always help your client. They can't finish that motion. Perfect. Now, we're gonna get to this bending. So bend, whatever you can do, bend. Like this, bend. You can go away. Whatever you can get. Same with this one. So you see the difference between that one and the right one. He can go backwards, something holding him. Why we just give him the band and ask him to try to push towards the table. It's hard. It's hard, right?
Yeah, that's hard.
It's really hard. Yeah, of course you've been injured. I can do hold up here too. You see it's held? Okay, here we go. I stabilize that shoulder. Perfect. That's fine. Ball again. Push against that ball. So this is your wall. So I extend that wall. That wall is the ball now, and he can push. It's hard for him. I can see it because that injury. I can help. Okay, and I release the ball and see if you can go a little bit more. Try to do more. Okay, we get there. You see, we get more and more. Okay, he's struggling. I want you to just doing this motion up and down, just like this. Slide, and watch me. I'll just show it to you. Slide and up and down. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. Get only this elbow. So we're working on that part right now. We don't even want to go there because this might be the elbow is problem too. Both. That arm too. Exactly. So just kind of like push against. Yeah.
Yeah, my scapula is burning.
Burning. Scapula is burning. That's what we want. We want that scapula slide on that ribs. They want to move. A lot of people that the scapula is not moving. That's what the issue is. So let's see it. Try to place more now. Yeah, you can do extended. No worries. Extend like this. Yeah, and try to slide. Push yourself. Push up. Look at that. Stay here. Breathe. Now I want to work up here on that core. It's probably breathe. You see, this one is not breathing, so I feel the breath. So I push this side. Here we go. You start activating all those serratus muscles. Here we go. You feel that? Yes. That's what you want. You want them do it by themselves. You only help them and support him. And let it go. See how's that help now? Try to place. I'll try to get a little bit closer. Yeah, almost there. I can feel it. We definitely need to work on that elbow too. So it's been injury for 6 years. So 6 years, right? 10 years. So in 15 minutes, like week before, now with like half hour, and it's getting improvement. Look at him. He's like, I can't believe I'm doing this. Yes, He can't believe because he's, like I said, brain trying to protect that. And we did a lot of good work. We keep going. How's your
Great.
neck?